and welcome to the next tutorial on Xperiencify. Today we're going to talk about what to do when you get a student that can't log on. You get that email and it says, "Hello, I can't log on to my account. Can you help me?" Well, there are three ways that you can. So first is to send them back to their initial email. When they created their course, or when they registered, they got their email and they got the link and they got the password. The second, and we're going to go to students. Second way, and we're going to go to, let's go to, there we go, to this one. You go into the student's name and then you go edit, and you could send them a new password. You could type in bubblegum 23 or whatever you want to. They could change it once they get into the system. And the other way is, the third way, let me go cancel, is you could send them, and this is what I think is the best way, their magic link. And then you go to the course that they want to sign in. I believe there we go. Yep, there it did stay. And you see where it says copy magic link. So I go there and then I have it copied. And then when I get into my email, I could paste, and then that will get them that one link that gets them directly to the site. It is my favorite way to log on. If I type up here, if I do a paste, let's see if it shows up. See, and that's what you would send them. I'm going to undo that in a minute, but you could see the URL that is a little bit longer, and then they go directly to that site, and they're right in. They don't even have to actually do a password when they use that one. Those are the three ways that you can help your students when they say, I can't log on. Anyway, it's super simple. So when you do get that email, you don't have to go, I got to help them figure it out. As I said, you give them those 3 steps, so make a nice little email. If you have any questions, please leave them below, and I will see you in the next video.